Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing why low-cost tools are becoming more popular in Nigeria and what this trend means for artisans, technicians, and small businesses. Access to affordable tools is crucial, especially for small fabrication workshops, roadside and mobile technicians, agricultural workers, construction artisans, and contractors, welding and metalwork professionals, automotive repair shops. With economic pressure and fluctuating import costs, Nigerian businesses are actively searching for budget-friendly industrial solutions. GZ Industrial Supplies continues to support these industries by offering cost-effective tools trusted by professionals nationwide. Best low-cost tool brands in Nigeria. Dongqing Tools. Dongqing offers one of the best price-quality balances in Nigeria. Their power tools are rugged, efficient, and perfect for construction artisans, welders, woodworkers. Inco Tools. Known for their bright yellow finish and strong performance. An excellent choice for workshops, mechanics, fabricators. Energies Power Tools. Exclusive, extremely affordable electric tools designed for small shops, field technicians, mobile repair teams. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.